Welcome! Today I'll show you how to activate Google Assistant option into XIAOMI Black Shark 4. First step, go into a Google application, this one, and then you click in the top right corner. We got our icon, account icon of Google, so click it and go settings. Then choose Google Assistant, and here need to scroll down and find general option. This one, general. Go into, and here we got Google Assistant, so click it to turn on, confirm operation one more time, and that's it. Now we activate Google Assistant option. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.